Hello students, today I am explaining you the trigonometrical ratio of some specific angle, and the need of this table is there in exercise 8.2 as well as in any part of the trigonometry in higher classes. Here it is written here some specific angle, and that angles are 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. That is, what is the value of sine 30, what is the value of cos 30, what is the value of tan 45, what is the value of sec 60, all these I will explain you. One method is, there is a table in the book, table number 8.1. So one method is that you learn the table number 8.1, but it is very difficult task. Today I am explaining you a very important trick by which you can make this table. The first part in the trick is, you write these numbers at the top of these numbers, that is 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and these numbers are 0, 1 by 4, half, 3 by 4 and 1. These numbers are increasing by 1/4, APA indirectly, 0, 1/4, half, 3/4, 1, which you can easily learn. Now the first row, for the first row, the trick is write the square root. Write the square root for the first row. What is the square root of 0? It is 0. What is the square root of 1 by 4? It is 1 by 2. What is the square root of 1 by 2? It is 1 by root 2. It is root 3 by 2 and it is 1. So the first row is square root of these numbers. These numbers you have to remember. The second row is, you have to turn these numbers in this way. Like there is a train chal rahi hai. This is the engine and these are the compartments. So when you turn it, the 1 will be here, root 3 by 2 will be here, 1 by root 2, then half and then g. So in this way you will get the second row. In the third row, tan theta is, you have to divide sine theta by cos theta. You have to divide the first number by second number. So when you divide 0 by 1, it will be 0. 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2 and 2 cancelled, it is 1 by root 3. Pura divide, it is 1. 2 say 2, it is root 3. And if you divide any number by 0, it will be not defined. So in this way we have got the tan theta. And dear students, once you get these three rows, even it is not required to make the remaining table. You all know that cosec is inverse of sine. So here we write 1 by sine theta. It is 0. 0 means 0 upon 1. So the inverse will be 1 upon 0. That is not defined. The inverse of this is 2. The inverse of this is root 2. Inverse means reciprocal. 2 by root 3 and 1 is 1. In the next, you turn the number like this. So it will be 1. It will be 2 by root 3. Root 2, this will be 2 here and this is not defined. And in the last one, it is the reciprocal of 10. Or you simply make a turn of 10. Tan theta. See, this is the tan theta. So this will be ND here. Then following by this, it is root 3, then it is 1, then it is 1 by root 3 and it is 0. So in this way you can make this value table. And if we need what is the value of cos 60, then this will be the answer. What is the value of tan 30? This will be the answer. What is the value of sine 45? This will be the answer. So when you are going for the examination, you make this table in the rough and it will be required for solving different type of sums. Even I'll start the chapter number 9. There also there will be need of this particular table. So I hope it is clear to you. Now I am taking the exercise 8.2. Yes, now I am taking few problems from exercise 8.2. This is the simplest part of the trigonometry. Only the important thing is you must know the table very nicely. Now the value of sine 60, if you see from the table, it will be root 3 by 2. The value of cos 30, if you see from the table, it will be root 3 by 2. The value of sine 30, 1 by 2. The value of cos 60 is also 1 by 2. So now it is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. The LCM is 4, 3 plus 1, 4 by 4. So the answer is 1. So you have seen in this sum that the important contribution is of the table here. See the second problem. It is 2. The value of 10 theta, that is 10 45 is 1, plus cos square 30. So root 3 by 2 ka square. Sine square 60, root 3 by 2 ka square. You see directly these two part cancelled. The answer is 2. So in this way we can solve these problems. I am taking one more sum here. Please see. The problem is little complicated sum. It is third part. Please see the sum now. Yes, dear students, you see sine 30 the value is half, tan 45 the value is 1 by 1, cosec 60 the value is 2 by root 3, sec 30 the value is 2 by root 3, cos 60 1 by 2 and cot 45 1. Now these are the rational numbers and this is irrational number. Half and 1, so it will be 3 by 2. This will be 2 by root 3. This is half and 1, again 3 by 2 and it is 2 by root 3. So now we can take the LCM. The LCM is 2 root 3 and the denominator also, the LCM is 2 root 3. Now this 2 and 2 cancelled, so it will be 3 root 3. This root 3 and root 3 cancelled, it will be 4. Here 2 root 3, so it is root 2 and 2 cancelled. This is 3 root 3. This root 3 cancelled, it is plus 4. Now LCM and LCM cancel. So we have got here 3 root 3 minus 4 and 3 root 3 plus 4. Now I am moving to class 9 and you have read there rationalizing the denominator. So here we write this part. You know it very well. So the answer is 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square and the denominator is 3 root 3 whole square and 4 ka whole square. So that will be the answer. Now here we apply the formula a minus b whole square. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square divided by 3 root 3 ka whole square, it is 27 and 16. Now this is 27 minus 24 root 3 plus 16 upon 11. It is not required much to explain for this part. Now 27, you see 4 3s are 12 into 2 24 and root 3. 16 plus 27, it is 43 minus 24 root 3 upon 11. So you can see now this is one of the complicated sum in this exercise where the proper revision of class 9 chapter number 1 irrational number is also there. And these type of sums are important from examination point of view. Here the important step is 1 by 2 plus half, that will be 3 by 2. You can directly do it because these two are the rational number and we can compile these rational number. I am taking one more sum now. Yes, now you see the third problem. Second problem you try yourself because it is the objective part, and few parts of first one that also you can try as when you are doing the practice. You see this is little different. 10a plus b is root 3. Now it is 10a plus b. Instead of root 3 we can write 10 something. And what is that something? It is 60 degree. Now here also 10 and here also 10. So we can compare and we can write a plus b is 60. That is the first linear equation. Second part is 10a minus b is 10 30, because 1 by root 3 is 10 30. It is totally the magic of the table here. So a minus b is 30. That is the second equation. This one. Now we are moving to the linear equations, and here on adding first and second, if you add a plus b is 60 and a minus b is 30. So this b and b cancel. 2a is 90. So the value of a is 45, and if you put the value of a 45, the value of b is 15. So the answer is 45 and 15. That is the answer for the sum number 3. Now sum number 4 is also I am explaining you. It is an objective sum. The first sum number 4, the first part, sin a plus b equals to sin a plus sin b. It is false. It cannot happen, because if I take sin 30 plus 60 and this side if I write sin 30 plus sin 60, you see this will be sin 90. So 1, and this is 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. Now these two cannot be equal. So the first is false. The second is the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Yes, right. The value of sin 0 is 0 and the value of sin 90 is 1. So it is increasing. So the second is true. But the third is false, because in cos theta it is decreasing and here it is written increasing. So it will be false. The value sin theta and cos theta are equal. It is wrong. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. They are not equal. They are equal only when the angle is 45 degrees. So again it is false. And the last is cot A is not defined when A is equal to 0. Definitely it is true, because if you see in the table, the value of cot 0 is not defined. So in this way we can answer question number 4 also. I hope this part is clear to you. Today's video is very important. It covers completely the exercise 8.2, which is the most easiest exercise in this particular chapter. Thank you.